Dear children, welcome to today's class. Hope you all are doing well. In the previous class, we learned about Chalcolithic Age and Bronze Age. Today, we are going to discuss about Bronze Age civilizations. Children, do you know the meaning of civilization? The word civilization is derived from the Latin word civis, meaning a city dweller. Cities are associated with civilizations. The process by which a society or place reaches an advanced stage of social and cultural development is called civilization. Planned cities, building, language, writing style, art, trade and craft are the features of a civilization. The major Bronze Age civilizations were Mesopotamian civilization, Egyptian civilization, Chinese civilization and Harappan civilization. All the civilizations were developed near the banks of the river. That's why these civilizations are known as river valley civilizations. Now we are going to discuss about Mesopotamian civilization and Egyptian civilization. The term Mesopotamia is derived from the Greek words Meso and Potamus. Meso means middle, Potamus means river. That means the land between rivers. Mesopotamian civilization flourished in the valleys between Euphrates and Tigris. Mesopotamia was located in the region called Sumer, so the people who lived here were called Sumerians. Mesopotamian civilization was the first civilization in the world. Cuneiform is a system of writing first developed by the ancient Sumerians of Mesopotamia. It was used to record a variety of informations such as temple activities, business and trade. The script is represented by wedge-shaped pictographic marks on clay tablets. The sacred area consisted of a temple called Ziggurats, which was dedicated to patron god of the city. Mesopotamians believed that these temples connected heaven and earth. The Ziggurats had several stories. The walls of the Ziggurats were built of burnt bricks. These are the features of Mesopotamian civilization. Is it clear? Next, we will move to Egyptian civilization. Egyptian civilization flourished in the valley of the river Nile. Egypt is called the gift of Nile because Nile is the only source of water for the people of Egypt. Without Nile, Egypt would have been a desert. The Egyptians developed a kind of picture writing known as hieroglyphics, which means sacred or holy writing. It is a combination of symbols and letters commonly written on papyrus and wood. Have you seen this picture? The king called pharaohs were the political and religious head of the people. He was also regarded as God. The most impressive monument of the Egyptians are the pyramids. The pyramids are the tombs of the pharaohs, the rulers of Egypt. The biggest pyramid is the one at Giza, built by the pharaoh of Khufu. The dead body, which was embalmed to prevent decay and kept in the pyramids, was called mummy. The belief that for the prosperity of the country, dead bodies of pharaohs must be kept imperishable might have been the reason behind the construction of such huge structures. Understand? These are the features of Egyptian civilization. Children, it's time to wind up today's class. Let's have a review. That's all for today. See you in the next class. Thank you.